What's wrong with you?
You were trying to talk to mommy? Oh, you got the hiccups?
You sure you're okay? Yeah. You? I'm great. You know, have a headache or anything? No, I feel fantastic. Is it me or is this an eye conversation?
Hi, babe.
How come he doesn't take a chance on something like this, and who will? I mean,
Hey, Chubby Cheeks.